Discover the beauty of nature with Hushele. At Hushele, our journey began with a cherished family tradition, our grandmother's herbal hair mask. This nurturing recipe inspired us to share its natural benefits with the world. We believe in 100% herbal hair care and skincare solutions crafted with the finest ingredients. Our products are free from harmful chemicals, gentle on your skin, and kind to the planet. We are committed to sustainability in everything we do, from eco-friendly packaging to supporting butterfly conservation. We strive to make a positive impact on the environment. Join us in embracing a cleaner, greener approach to beauty. Experience the purity of nature with Hushele, where beauty meets responsibility. Hushele, beauty with a green heart.